So we've taken some measurements and we've done some angles, no idea if it's right. Figured out the height inside the tray and up to the mounting surface we want to mount the actual rooftop tent on, and then use the angle gauge. I think we got some angles here, cut that at 70, that inner angle at the top at 110, so we'll split that in half at 55 so the faces are the same size and meet evenly. We'll cut some shit out and see what happens. Way Coda, you're gonna go deaf. Got it all tacked together on the floor and sitting on the ute. Surprisingly, it actually sits pretty square. It's just with some heavy tacks. Now we'll pull it back off and take our time and fully weld it on the floor over there. Try and see if it doesn't warp too much. And then maybe mock the feet up, put the feet on, fully weld it all and then paint it, I guess. And then install it. Definitely not coming off. Everything's now fully welded. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Now got about half an hour grinding, clean up all the welds, bit of spray paint, let that dry, drill some holes to mount it on the tray. And then I think it's good, and then we'll start fitting the rooftop tent. Maybe there, I reckon. Famous last words.
You think you have a lot of different size holes in there.
You would think so, but then it might get annoying constantly latching on you.
That's it.
Man.
Man. You should feel low when you get on it. Like a cardboard proof.
Done. One rooftop tent installed. No guarantee.